Hey y'all, so this is my neighborhood, man. This is it right here. East Nashville. Hey, I don't know why these people are still trying to get down this street. Like, for real, you cannot get through unless there are people that are, like seriously gonna be helping. You can't get through. These are shingles from the roof here. I'm stepping over trees. Our sign is gone from the roof. This is a down power line. Like, you may not be able to see it, but this right here is down power line there. There's my sign there. Meg's Middle School. So there's right there is my balcony. There's more trees and everything that's down, further down. The school, the roof, something's going on with the roof over there. So it's just, right here we have a lot of devastation, but honestly, I'm just happy to be here. I'm happy to see another day. I'm happy to see another sun. So there you have it.